Welcome back to Longevity Talk, and if you like this content, please share and subscribe to our channel. Imagine two close-up shots of our cells. In one image, you see cells that are cluttered and murky, filled with dark, sticky waste materials, like a room that has not been cleaned in years. These cells look sluggish and tired, struggling to perform their functions. In the second image, the cells are bright, clear, and organized. They are working efficiently, communicating properly, and look vibrant and full of energy. What if you could help your body maintain more cells that look like that second pristine set? What if you could mimic the powerful benefits of fasting, a known method for cellular cleanup, without having to skip a single meal? This question is not science fiction. It is at the forefront of longevity research. Scientists are exploring natural compounds that can activate our body's innate self-cleaning mechanisms. These mechanisms are crucial for maintaining health as we age. When our cells are clean, they function optimally, translating to better energy, healthier organs, and a more resilient body. The buildup of cellular waste drives aging, from wrinkled skin to a slower mind. Let's start with the central process, autophagy. The word comes from Greek. It literally means self-eating. Dramatic, yes, but controlled and beneficial. Think of autophagy as your cell's internal quality control and recycling program. Proteins get damaged or misfolded, organelles wear out, and mitochondria degrade. Autophagy engulfs the junk, delivers it to lysosomes, and breaks it down into amino acids and fatty acids. Those raw materials are reused for repair and energy. High autophagy keeps cells free of toxic junk and running at their peak. Fasting potently activates autophagy, but it can be hard to sustain. So researchers search for fasting mimetics, compounds that trigger similar benefits. This brings us to spermidine, a naturally occurring polyamine present in nearly all life, from bacteria to plants to humans. We make some internally and get more from specific foods. It supports growth, DNA stability, and cell proliferation, but levels fall with age, tracking the drop in autophagy. Restoring spermidine levels can restore cleanup capacity. The research is promising. Mechanistically, spermidine inhibits an autophagy break, giving a cellular green light to self-cleaning. Result: damaged proteins and organelles are cleared and recycled for new growth and energy. A simple molecular nudge with system-wide consequences. The skin is our largest organ, constantly exposed to stressors like UV radiation, pollution. Skin health relies on collagen and elastin, the scaffolding and the snapback. With age, production slows and damage accumulates via glycation and oxidative stress. When autophagy is sluggish, fibroblasts can't clear broken collagen and elastin. Spermidine boosts the cleanup process in fibroblasts by inducing autophagy, removing fragmented and cross-linked collagen and dysfunctional elastin. That clears the way for new, high-quality proteins. A cleaner cellular environment is a more productive one. Over time, this supports elasticity, hydration, and dermal thickness, reducing fine lines for a firmer look. Spermidine may also support skin stem cell function, aiding regeneration and barrier strength. It's linked to hair follicle activity and keratin production in skin, hair, and nails. This isn't a surface-level quick fix. Benefits accumulate as cells rebuild from within. It's a deep structural approach that works from the inside out. The result: skin that's more resilient. The brain is incredibly energy-intensive with limited capacity for replacement. Most neurons you have today are the ones you were born with. Over time, neurons accumulate misfolded and aggregated proteins. Clumps like amyloid beta and tau are hallmarks of cognitive decline. Autophagy is the brain's frontline defense to clear these threats. Spermidine can cross the blood-brain barrier and induce autophagy in neurons. It helps remove protein clumps and dysfunctional mitochondria, lowering inflammation and oxidative stress. In animal models, spermidine improved memory and restored mitochondrial function in the hippocampus. It supports circadian metabolic rhythms and synaptic plasticity, foundational for learning and memory. A cleaner cellular environment helps neurons communicate efficiently and resist age-related stressors. While more human research is needed, Supporting autophagy with spermidine is a compelling strategy to protect cognitive function. It's proactive brain aging, maintaining the cellular hardware before problems appear. Now for the practical question, how can you increase your spermidine levels? The good news, it's present in a variety of healthy foods. Wheat germ is among the richest sources. Sprinkle it on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Natto, fermented soybeans, is exceptionally high and features in long-lived regions. Aged cheeses are excellent sources. Mushrooms, especially shiitake. Legumes, including soybeans, chickpeas, lentils, green peas, corn, and whole grains also contribute. Aim for a diverse plant-rich diet to boost intake naturally. Spermidine supplements, often wheat germ-derived, offer standardized dosing. Choose reputable brands with third-party testing for purity and potency. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially if pregnant, breastfeeding, managing conditions, or taking medications. Food is foundational. Supplements are targeted additions. It is important to frame spermidine correctly. It is not a cosmetic quick fix or magic anti-wrinkle pill. Its power is addressing a root cause, the age-related decline in cellular autophagy, working from the inside out. Support autophagy, and you support not just skin and brain, but heart, immunity, liver, and muscles. Think of spermidine as one part of a comprehensive strategy alongside exercise, sleep, stress management, and a whole foods diet. Longevity science is moving from symptom management to prevention by targeting aging biology itself. Spermidine represents cellular rejuvenation over quick fixes, a steady, science-backed investment in function. If you found this useful, please subscribe. In our next episode, we will explore other safe triggers of autophagy, fasting mimetics, and how lifestyle supports cellular cleanup. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified health provider with questions about a medical condition.